If we flirt occasionally, don't watch this. I'm like going to dinner, so I gotta get it all out. And there's still some in there, so you have to put air in to get it just to all release. Nope. There it is. So I have secret talents, and I don't need soda or anything. It won't come out good. Okay, hold on. That was a little guy too.
Kaylee, don't be gross.
Cheers.
My knee's swollen.
Walk it off.
I have the hiccups.
Well, stop having the hiccups.
Okay.
That scared me. Root beer gives me burps.
Huh?
Root beer gives me the burps. I didn't mean to, it's root beer.
Biggest burp ever. Biggest burp ever.
Kaylee, I am so embarrassed for you. That is not even funny.
It's root beer.
No.
You're gonna be a freshman in college. Here are things, excuse me, that you didn't know.
What gross person do you think that I...